Hello, this is New England Industrial Machinery, and we are here videotaping a SMW, about a 12-inch rotary table, and the model is RT325VN, and it comes with this SMW ACcu-Smart 60 CNC Programmable controller. We also have a copy of the parameters list. Has a 3-inch threaded hole in the back side. Serial number I found, I believe, is right up here. And it's 157, if that's correct. Somebody can correct me if it's not. There's a lubrication, or a oil lubrication port there. Radial T-slots and nice, quiet running unit. Has a 1.5-inch through hole with a plug. Take the plug out, and then this sleeve here can come out, and you'd have a 1.5-inch through hole. Has forward and reverse, air brake, and a little adjustable vernier if you're not using the digital. And we'll just stop it and put it in the other direction. It's the same direction. Reverse. No, actually, that's forward. So that's the table. And if you have any questions, we'll be happy to try and answer it for you. It is horizontal and vertical. The vertical position center height is written down, is about 12 and 13/16. And in the horizontal position, the height of the table is 9 3/4 of an inch. Oh, got that all backwards. Okay, we'll start again. 9 3/4 inch center height. So it'll swing over 18 inches. And the horizontal position height is 12 and 13/16. So we got that squared away. And again, if you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer them for you. It is a good unit. We don't know a lot about the controls, so I'm not sure how to make it go faster or slower, but I'm sure it's all there in the program, or can be programmed. Okay, thank you.